we thought it prudent that we will withdraw this circular for the time being and have our system in place. Now our system means a technical cell, our system means having at least 2 garbage treatment plants ready. Third thing is having a MRF, material recovery facility in place in at least 90% of the panchayats. But I want to mention here, this is like giving us also a second chance to all the panchayats that please take garbage issue very, very seriously and manage your garbage after segregation in a scientific manner. Not that this circular did anything negative. On the contrary, this circular helped to bring about a consciousness. We showed them that we can wield a stick if required, and we will do it at the right time. This time is not appropriate. We want to give them a second chance. Please manage your garbage well, and then there are no issues at all. No, we have not been forced by anyone. Government in its wisdom has withdrawn this circular. As I said, there might have been negative opinion from the panchayats or some sarpanchis or some so-called pseudo leaders, I call them. But I am not bothered about that. That does not bother me. The government, in its wisdom, I said, thought let us give the panchayats a second chance, and the same thing what we wanted to achieve through a circular, I will show how it can be managed at the right time. So I am giving them reasonable amount of time. Ultimately, I cannot say what the NGT will say or what even the High Court can say. It is for them to take a call. We are prepared for that. I leave it to the judgment of the people as to what is actually happening. Understood, no? Because at the same time, I cannot discount an elected body. They are also elected members. They are also local self-governing bodies. So let the people judge.
So how
let them
someone accountable for it?
let them face their own music. You will see what is the consequence of this.
Department?
I will be able to make them accept that yes, we were not able to do it now. We are doing it now. But tell us whether you are giving us at least little leverage to reduce. Because it pains me at the same time. Imagine for not wearing a helmet, somebody will pay 1,000 rupees. For committing some other offence is 5,000, and then it goes straight to 10,000. What will the common man do also? So we will see if we can, even in tandem with other transport ministers, ask the central transport minister to relax some things if necessary. I will be attempting that as well.